Hello, welcome to the Roman Baths. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm a bit lost. I'm looking for a gym.
A gym? What's it called?
It's called Achilles Gym, training Aquisulians since 100 AD.
Ah, yes, it's over there.
Hello? Is anyone in? I'm looking for Achilles.
Salve!
Salve?
Greetings, you must be Josephus, and welcome to your free introductory session to this new gym.
Thanks. This isn't like any gym I've ever been to before.
Ah, that's because you've never been to a Roman gym before. You may find that we do things a little differently, but this is cutting edge for the Roman Empire.
The Roman Empire?
Indeed. Look, it says here, Achilles, 30 years experience training soldiers from around the empire. What legion did you say you were in again?
I didn't.
Yeah, that figures. Certainly gonna have to get you into shape if you'll be heading off to Hadrian's Wall. Here we go. Try this for size.
Whoa. What's this made out of? I'm not familiar with the material.
An animal's bladder, of course. We Romans recycle everything.
Are those weights?
We call them Halteres. You can use them on your own for exercising or for helping with the long jump. Here, you have a go. If you hold the Halteres and swing them like so, they can help you lifting off. Now you try.
That's pretty good. What other equipment do you have? It says on the flyer you do wrestling too.
Yes, but the wrestling classes don't start till this afternoon and you're a bit overdressed. I know, let's play a game of Trigon.
What?
Oh, excuse me, could you help me with something? Here, catch this. Now quick, throw it to Josephus.
What's this then?
This is Trigon. It's a three-way catching game. You stand in a triangle, you throw the ball with your right hand, however you have to catch it with your left. Watch. You score points, you catch it. However, if you drop it, the thrower scores points. Have you never played this before? It's played throughout the Roman Empire.
Whew. After that workout, I need to unwind.
Well, you could always relax in the Laconicum. Come on, follow me.
So what's a Laconicum?
Ah, Laconicum. Well, it has underfloor heating and the walls get really hot. You have to wear something on your feet. It's that hot. If you splash water on the surfaces, it can get really steamy, so you won't want to stay in there for too long.
So it's like what I would call a sauna or a steam room. You had saunas in the Roman Empire. That's amazing.
Yes, and the one here at the baths is really well built. I reckon it could last more than 1,000 years. So what did you think of the introductory session? You want to join my gym?
Well, it's different to any gym I've ever been to before, but if you've trained Roman soldiers, you must be good.
That's because I'm the best in the empire. Here we go. If you'd like to sign an X here, the fee is only 2 denarii a month.
I don't suppose I can pay contactless.